DCD has a standardized process for the preparation of assistance agreements for funding directly to recipients of state funding. During that process, a proposal is developed because each project, whether it's a community development project, a business development project, or a municipal development project, has unique characteristics. So a proposal outlines the project description and the total project cost and the various components of that project. Within that proposal, there are terms and conditions that are utilized as the basis for an assistance agreement or a contract, if you will. That contract, as part of that document, has what's called a project financing plan and budget, which the commissioner has the ability to revise based on how the project goes along. In some instances, DECD looks to protect its interest through a variety of means, not only through the traditional built-in protections within an assistance agreement, but in certain cases, in particular the Fort Trumbull project funding, one of the assistance agreements, one of the 5 assistance agreements to the New London Development Corporation, provided for several opportunities for the state to step in and cause certain actions to occur if things were not going forward. In particular, the DCD has secured the state's interest in the Fort Trumbull MDP area by placing mortgage liens, collateral assignment rights, and restrictive covenants on properties in the project area. DCD also has a negative pledge agreement which prohibits the NLDC from selling or leasing or encumbering these properties without the commissioner's consent. The DCD also has a third-party beneficiary rights under a development agreement with the NLDC's developer. So I say that to let the committee know that there is a standardized process for how DCD carries out its funding through assistance agreements. Within those assistance agreements, there's inherent rights that protect the state for different decisions that may be made in the future, depending on how the project goes forward. Each project, as Chuck Camerata has pointed out, may take time, and as time goes by, things change.
Now, is there ever an occasion that you can recall that a project took place under 132 and for whatever reason was abandoned and sort of lays foul right now that you're aware of?
I'm not aware of any.